Hello, welcome back to the channel again, guys. In this video, we're working on this 1.5 Mercedes. It's the lovely Renault engine, should we say. So we've got P300651, the NOx sensor, one cylinder bank, one has a malfunction. If you're getting this, car's probably in lit mode, maybe not, to be fair. It's very rare it goes into lit mode, but if it does, happy days, it is what it is. You'll get engine management warning light. Sometimes you'll get restriction performance as well, so in terms of mileage range, so you'll get 1,000 mileage range, 500 mileage range. I would recommend not driving it because it will suddenly seize. So to cure this, I've had a look at the engine. To be fair, it's so obvious where I'll guide you where the sensor is as well and what's caused it. Not only in Mercedes, but I've seen it on Audi, CS, Skoda, VW, and most of the other vehicles. You can see what's happened here. It's crystallized. It's damaged the sensor. So it's this sensor that requires sorting. It's the injector, the AdBlue injector. This issue, if I'm not mistaken, that's what it's called. It's crystallized. That's the result. It's clogged up the DPF, caused injectors to splash out so much stuff. But that, and if you're getting that, that's where it is. What we recommend is using a diagnostic machine like this and resetting the AdBlue system, really. That's if it's under a lock situation. So let's have a look. So if I'm using this, it'll be services, okay, and then it'll be to do with the engine section. So it'll be here. And then you can reset where is the SCR. I'm just showing you so you can see what you need to do, really. Otherwise, I'm not going to do much here now. The SCR, the AdBlue. Am I missing something? My bad, guys. Don't go into that. I don't know why I said that. I'm sorry. Go into AdBlue. And here you can reset the AdBlue. And this will take the lock off. So if you've got a mileage range, this will knock it off. I'm using the iCarSoft CR Max P, which has just come out. Brilliant piece of kit. But this is just for your information, guys. Nothing else. It really is for your information. That's where the sensor is. If you want to take my advice, you can clean it up and put it back and reset it and see if it works. If it does, happy days, because they're not cheap. I know they're a few £100, maybe. You want genuine, you don't have to market as well. The other thing you can do as well is remap it. I know people can map it out for 150 quid, 200 quid, but that'll go down to yourselves because it will probably cause issue down the line as well and probably avoid warranty. Sometimes another thing, guys, as well, let's not forget the AdBlue injector there will crystallize, and the issue we're going to have is no matter how hard you try and clean this, it won't work. It will go all the way back to the tank and you'll need a full tank change, in other words, which will cost you the best part of £1,000, £1,500, depending on who does it.